Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best student laptop currently available on the market, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1. Packed with features tailored to meet the needs of students, this laptop combines performance, affordability, and reliability into one sleek package. First off, let's talk about performance. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is powered by an Intel dual-core processor, providing enough horsepower to handle everyday tasks with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming lectures, or working on assignments, this laptop delivers smooth performance every time. And speaking of performance, the 15.6-inch Full HD display offers crisp visuals and vibrant colors, making it perfect for watching educational videos or immersing yourself in multimedia content. Connectivity is also a breeze with a variety of ports including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and a headphone-microphone combo jack, ensuring you can easily hook up your peripherals or external displays without any hassle. Now, let's talk about design. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 features a sleek and modern design with a slim profile, making it easy to carry between classes or study sessions. Plus, the durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of student life. One thing that sets this laptop apart is its comfortable keyboard, which provides tactile feedback and ample key travel for a satisfying typing experience. Perfect for those long study sessions or late-night essay writing. And let's not forget about storage. With a combination of 128GB SSD and 128GB eMMC, you'll have plenty of space to store your documents, presentations, and multimedia files. Plus, with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you'll enjoy a seamless and intuitive user experience right out of the box. So there you have it, folks. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 student laptop is truly the best companion for any student looking for a reliable, affordable, and feature-packed laptop. Whether you're attending lectures, studying in the library, or collaborating on group projects, this laptop has everything you need to succeed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy studying!